Hey, have you ever wondered how some YouTube channels grow so fast and get millions of views with just chill music? Check this out, there's a channel with over 14 million subscribers and one of its videos has almost hit over 100 million views. Can you imagine that? And it's not just one, there are tons of similar channels, all racking up millions of views. So what's their secret? They upload these simple, relaxing beats with laid-back visuals. And yes, these videos are monetized. Here's the kicker, you don't need to be a music or video editing expert to create a channel like this. Surprised? So how can you do it? How can you join this trend and start your own successful chill music channel? Don't worry, I'm here to show you exactly how to create your own chill beats channel using AI. Excited? Let's dive right in. Remember though, having a channel isn't enough. To monetize it, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Yeah, it sounds like a lot, but with this method, you'll be on a fast track to success. Okay, let's talk about making LoFi beats using an AI tool called Mubert. If you haven't heard of it, Mubert helps you make music with just a few clicks. It's super easy and fun. How does that sound? Cool, right? To start, just click generate track and fill in some details. There's a prompt box where you can type in your idea. Not sure what to type? No problem, you can pick from different genres, moods, and activities. It's all about setting the vibe you want. Let's do it together. For genre, I'll pick ambient, feeling chill today. Under mood, let's choose calm, and for activity, how about sleep? Relaxing, right? Now for sound type, let's go with nature. Imagine the sound of rain or leaves in the background, perfect for chill beats. You can also choose how long the track is. The default is 45 seconds, but let's stretch it out to 3 minutes and 45 seconds for a full vibe. Ready? Hit generate and let the magic happen. It takes a minute, so let's fast forward. And there it is. How good does this sound? Doesn't it make you want to just sit back and relax? If you like it, let's download it. Just click the download button. But wait, you'll need to create an account first. You can sign up with Google, Facebook, or email. After that, your new track will be ready to use. Let's try another fun feature, making beats with just a text prompt. Yes, you heard me right. You can create music by just typing a few words. Let's do it together. This time, let's keep it simple. Click generate track and type LoFi in the box. Easy, right? Let's make the track longer, set it to 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Done? Great, hit generate. And just like that, it's here. What do you think? Pretty cool, huh? If you love it, go ahead and download it, just like we did earlier. Once you hit the download button, go to My Downloads to find your track. One more thing, add your YouTube channel URL to follow copyright rules. Don't have a channel yet? No worries, I'll help you set that up next. All right, it's time to make your own YouTube channel. Ready? Let's go. First, sign into YouTube using your Google account. Have you thought of a name for your channel yet? If not, don't worry. You can use ChatGPT for help. It gave me 10 cool ideas, and I picked the one I like best. Got your name? Awesome. Now, let's talk about visuals. You'll need a logo and a banner for your channel. Don't worry, you don't need to be a designer. Let's use Canva, a simple tool, to create them. In Canva, click Create a Design and choose YouTube logo. Browse through the music-related templates, or make your own. You can even search for Music Wave logo for cool ideas. Once you find one you like, add your channel name, choose your fonts and colors, and you're done. Like how it looks. Download it in JPG format, and there's your logo. Great job. Now that you've got your logo, let's make your channel stand out. Upload your logo and then jump back into Canva to create a banner. Canva has pre-made YouTube banner templates. Pick one, add your channel name, and customize the colors and fonts. It's that simple. Once your banner is ready, download it and upload it to your channel. Next, write a great description for your channel. Not sure what to say? Don't worry, ChatGPT can help you come up with the perfect description. Once you've got it, paste it in. Congrats, you've just created your YouTube channel. Feels great, doesn't it? Now that your channel is ready, Copy the URL and go back to Mubert. Paste the URL to sort out the copyright stuff. Accept the terms, and guess what? Your track is now available for download. You've got your first track, congrats. Follow the same steps for the next one, and you're all set. Now comes the fun part. You can't upload just the audio to YouTube, so let's make a video. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. For a cool background image, I suggest using an AI image generator like lalal.ai. It's free, and the results are awesome. And set the image size to 16:9, which is perfect for YouTube. Now think about a scene that matches your music. You can try different prompts until you find the one you love. Once you have it, download the image. Time to put everything together. We'll use CapCut to create your video. It's free and easy to use. Sign up, then upload both the image and the music track. Drag the audio to the timeline and insert the image. Make sure the image matches the length of the audio, and feel free to add effects or filters to make it look even cooler. When you're happy with it, export the video and save it. Now that your video is ready, it's time to upload it to YouTube. Go to your channel, upload the video, and give it a catchy title, write a nice description, and add some tags. Also, create a great thumbnail to grab people's attention. Want to grow your channel faster? Here's a tip. Live music streams often get a lot of views and help increase your watch hours. You can use tools like OBS Studio to stream your music live 24/7. Sounds exciting, right? Another tip, make longer videos like 2 to 3 hours. People use these videos as background music, so they tend to do better. You're probably wondering about costs. Mubert has a free plan, but you can only make 25 tracks a month and have to give credit. If you want more freedom, their pro version lets you make 500 tracks a month and gives you a license, so you don't need to credit anyone. Just starting out, you can sign up for Mubert as affiliate program and earn some money while you grow your channel. Once you've saved up, you can get the pro plan. That's it. I hope you feel inspired to start your own chill beats channel using AI. I'd love to hear how it goes for you. Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for listening, and good luck creating.